What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So, recently I started having some issues with the key fob for my 1999 C5 Corvette. So I'm going to tell you guys exactly what key fob you need to get for your Corvette and how to program it. If you're just here for the key fob programming, go to this timestamp here to get started. So this is the old fob. Basically what started happening is the buttons stopped working and the key fob started disconnecting from the car, which was super annoying, and the pass lock function here stopped working as well. So when I started looking for the key fobs, I realized there are a whole lot of different options. So I started doing some research and this is what I found. So the type of key fob that you're going to want to get is totally based on what year Corvette that you have. So when it comes to the 97 to 99 Corvette, you're going to need to get one that looks like this. So this is the old key fob here. As you can see, the only difference between these two is that this one here has the passive lock, whereas this one does not. This is because the pass lock system is actually not made anymore because it had so many issues on the earlier Corvettes. So starting in 2000, they stopped offering that as an option. And honestly, I'd much rather have it this way because my pass lock system started giving me a whole lot of issues and it started just unlocking the car randomly even when I turned the pass lock off. So having this one makes me feel a lot safer, and I feel like my car isn't going to get broken into all the time. And these older key fobs are going to have a little bit of a higher price point. So this one I got for about $65. I got it off Amazon, and I'll have a link to that in the description below. So for the 2000 to 2004 Corvettes, you're going to get a key fob that looks similar to this one. This one's actually from a Tahoe, so this is not the same one that you get. The only difference is with the Corvette ones is you're going to have the trunk release here. So you're going to have just one more button on this one. But these ones are also a little bit cheaper. So this is the new version. This one goes for about $30. And you can actually even find them for less than that sometimes if you go on Amazon. So if you really have your heart set on having a pass lock function on your key fob, you're going to have to buy one secondhand from a place like eBay. I've seen them going for about $100 to $200 on eBay. And I mean, really, I don't think that it's worth it. But if you really want one, that's where you can find them. Now it's time to get the new key fob programmed. All right, once you're in the car, you're going to want to close the door and put your key into the on position. Now you're going to want to click on options until you get a blank screen. Now hold the reset button until it says fob training. Then click the reset button again. Now it's going to say hold lock and unlock for the first fob. So we're going to get our first fob here and hold both of those. All right, first fob learned. Now if you have a second fob, you're going to do the exact same thing. So hold both of those. All right, second fob is learned. This one's going to be my backup. Then you can take the key out. And finally, test out all the functions. Well, guys, that is all there is to it to program the key fob for your C5 Corvette. If you guys found that helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for future content. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.